ukulele friends. In this video we'll go through the exercises, notes on the C string and notes on the E string. There should be about pages 8 and 9 in the Hal Leonard Ukulele 1 method book. So exercise 1, we've got a C with 4 notes, 4 counts, and then a D with 4 counts, and back to a C. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. It's on the 3rd string. Open string is C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise 1 again. Exercise 2. Exercise 2 again. Exercise 3. Exercise 3 again. Exercise 4. And now I'll play all 4 exercises again. Exercise 1. Exercise 2. Exercise 3. And exercise 4. Thank you, ukulele friends. Practice hard.